How to make over $1,000 or more per month with Canva. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to start making money with Canva free templates, sell them and make a lot of money fast. So this is a template that you can sell, per example, here in Canva. If you want to start selling, just go to Fiverr. This app right here is one of the best freelancing app, and there is also Upwork if you want to multiple your work and put it in different platforms. There is Upwork, and also there is the freelancer. This one is also good. If you start selling like this, this person right here is selling logos, and you can also start selling them for $10 or even more. There is persons that selling their services for over $100 just from Canva. If you want to start designing, just go to Canva and click here in the plus button and search for logo, per example. Right here, click on logo and wait a few seconds. It will take you to the page where you will find free templates that you can edit and sell. As you can see, here is free and professional logos that you can sell. Those logos are really professional, as you can see. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.